I'd like to show you how to subtract with regrouping. So this is the same thing that we've been doing all year. Just want to give you a reminder. So I'm going to do two problems. The first one I'm going to do is 239 minus 147. Okay, remember, more on top, no need to stop. So I have more on top because 9 is more than 7, so no need to stop. I can just subtract. And 9 minus 7 is 2. Okay, then I check my next column, my tens column. There is not more on top, so I need to stop and I need to regroup. So I always go over and I to the next place, so the hundreds, and I borrow one group. So 2 minus 1 is 1. And there are 10 groups of 10 in there, so I always add 10 to the number of groups I already have. So in this case is 3, so 10 plus 3 is 13. Now I can subtract 13 minus 4, which equals 9. And then 1 minus 1 equals 0. So my answer for this problem is 92. And the next problem I want to show you is 562 minus 329. And this is actually the first problem on your Google form for today, so you can use this to help you. So more on top, no need to stop. That is not the case here. If I have $2, I cannot give you 9, so I need to go to the tens place and borrow one group. So 6 minus 1 is 5. And then I add 10 to the 2 I already have to make that 12. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And now I have more on top. So 5 minus 2 is 3. And in my hundreds column, I also have more on top, so no need to stop. Just go ahead and subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. So my final answer is 233. Please let me know if you need help. I can log on and have a Google Meet with you, or I can answer your questions through email or private comments in Google.